tooth decay, sugar, and natural repair. We have a tooth, and the inside of the tooth has 3 layers. If you get tooth decay into enamel, this is reversible. But tooth decay progressing into dentine and then the pulp is irreversible, so needs dentist's treatment. Every time you eat sugar, you get temporary tooth decay in enamel, but your mouth naturally repairs this tooth decay. How does this happen? We look at the tooth decay process. Sugar is made into acid by the bacteria. That's the first problem. And the acid makes acid holes in the enamel, which is the second problem. Saliva removes the acid first, and then saliva repairs the acid holes. So the problem is tooth decay, and saliva does the repair. So when you have some sugar, and the sugar goes on the tooth, bacteria eats and changes sugar into acid, and then the bacteria attacks the tooth with acid. And looking at the inside of the tooth, the acid makes an acid hole in enamel. These acid holes are temporary tooth decay. So you have stopped eating sugar. Sugar on the tooth is now acid, and the rest of the sugar has been swallowed. But in your mouth, acid from the sugar before remains on the tooth, even after you have stopped eating sugar. So this acid staying for more time on the tooth causes further acid damage to make the acid hole larger and deeper. Only after 30 minutes the acid is removed, so finally the acid damage stops. Why does it take 30 minutes to remove this acid? This is because saliva tries to remove this acid, but this acid is hard to remove. It takes repeated efforts by saliva, and finally saliva removes the acid after 30 minutes. So the acid damage stops. Only after the acid is removed, now saliva can repair these acid holes. But saliva repair takes hours. Finally, saliva has repaired these acid holes, and your tooth is back to health. Here is a summary, and remember, sugar acid damage is fast, but saliva repair is slow. Thank you for watching. There are more videos on tooth decay.